Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GILD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I'm assuming you don't live under a rock, so I'm assuming you saw the headlines and know that GILD had quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action perspective, but just gigantic volume, and pretty much, I think, pulled the entire market up with it. But nonetheless, a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward, myself included, into Thursday. So want to map out a couple of key levels that I'll be watching. And then I think a lot of other traders are going to be watching. And when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic movements. So that's what, in my mind at least, these levels are going to come into play here. The first level is just from the resistance side of things, and that is this area right up here at $84.50. Yeah, I get it. The price, spiked up above there a couple times, but the price never maintained above it. But there is a whole lot of congestion right here around $84.50. So for the people that like to play breakouts and those sorts of setups, they're going to be watching this level very, very quickly, wondering if the price can, once again kind of level out and then start to work its way back up there. And if it does, is that guaranteed that a huge move is going to come? No, there's no such thing as a guarantee. My point is, it's at least a rational thought to have that 84.50 and a break of it could produce a nice, breakout to the upside. On the flip side, as far as areas of support are concerned, first level that I'm very curious about, if it gets tested again, right down there at the 82.50 mark. You can see late afternoon on the pullback. That's right where the pullback stopped. But if the price can work its way down there and then get a breakdown to it, am I saying that this thing crashes down to $70? I'm not saying that. But that could definitely produce a bit more downside pressure and momentum, to create a bigger pullback. But again, a pullback is not the same as a reversal. So I'm not saying that if that level fails, then the price is reversing back down to $78. I'm just saying that from a trading standpoint, that could create some, shorting opportunities out there with extended pullback. But we'll see what happens with it. Like I said, I know I'll be watching it going forward, so let's see how it all continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.